Hi, my name's Marc and I'm a legal coach at Damar Training. My top tip is making sure you attend all the workshops on your apprenticeship. Workshops are important as they provide you with expert support from practitioners and people who really understand the subjects and qualifications, and it's a key part to our delivery. You should ensure that you are fully prepared for the workshops, completing any pre-reading or work set to ensure you get the best from your time with the tutors. Make use of the training plans and organise your time to make sure that you don't miss any of the live sessions. The forum is a great place to engage with other students as well as your tutors in between workshops. It can help you clarify any topics you are struggling with, whilst also building peer-to-peer support from the course. Regularly attending the workshops gives you the very best chance of success in the exams, as it's difficult to learn from online materials and books. After all, in the workplace, we learn all the time from experts in our organisation. The value is in participating, not simply listening.